Welcome to WatchMojo, where we do the research so you don't have to. In this video, we're taking you through 5 things you should know about the LEVOIT Classic300S Ultrasonic Smart Humidifier. Humidifiers like this model are a sublime way to nurture your skin and immune system and help offer a healthy boost year-round. Treating the air in your home may also soothe familiar issues such as eczema, sinus issues, nosebleeds, and cracked lips. So, should you be looking to add the LEVOIT Classic300S humidifier to your home? If so, why? Well, sit tight because we've taken a deep dive into its specs to give you 5 things we think you should know about it before buying. It's a high performer. The LEVOIT Classic300S is an impressive model offering up to 60 hours of runtime, a massive 6-liter tank, and 4 different mist settings that covers up to 505 square feet of space. Yet despite its colossal features, it weighs just 2 kilos and emits only 3 decibels of noise. It's also an ultrasonic humidifier, which means aside from being a modern, simple device, it combines a reservoir for water with the built-in vibrating element. This element vibrates at a frequency that exceeds the range of human hearing, propelling microscopic water droplets into the air. Once in the air, they evaporate to add a healthy dose of humidity. It's one-step refill. The LEVOIT Classic300S Ultrasonic Smart Humidifier has the capacity for 6 liters of water and flaunts a transparent top-fill reservoir design. It has a removable lid and a large opening for easy filling, which means adding fresh water to the tank can be done in one straightforward step. There is no tipping the reservoir upside down or lids to unscrew, which can be tricky and messy. It's thoughtfully engineered this way to prevent leaking. Also, the easy access wide reservoir makes cleaning it a cinch. It has an intelligent sleep mode. The use of a humidifier while you sleep can have some revitalizing benefits. Maintaining optimal levels of moisture in the air between 40 and 60% does wonders for the body, and this ultrasonic humidifier works to achieve just that. Engineered to create a sound sleeping environment, it will raise the relative humidity by 12% in just 30 minutes if need be. LEVOIT's Sleep Mode feature offers a soft light with 2 intensities and the ability to control humidity settings from the comfort of your bed. You can do this with either the app or Alexa. An aroma box with a built-in aroma pad is a dreamy feature for your essential oils to enhance your room's air quality and spirit. You can also direct the 360-degree rotating nozzle wherever you like for a soothing night's sleep. It's TLC for babies and plants. The auto mode on this ultrasonic humidifier is a choice feature for your baby's room to maintain ample moisture levels. It provides them with optimal breathing conditions by alleviating dryness in the airways. It also helps to sustain moisture in the nostrils, sinuses, and upper airways, which could reduce respiratory tract infections. It also calms eczema and dry, itchy skin. This is pivotal as a baby's skin loses moisture quickly. This supersonic model also gives plants the moisture they need to breathe through their leaves. It has smart features. We've already briefly mentioned this model's smart features, but they're worth mentioning again. Once connected to the VSync app, you can monitor the moisture levels in your home and receive real-time updates, an important feature for maintaining a safe amount of humidity in the air. You can also view your current humidifier settings, control the light and the timer, or even create a schedule for it to run on. This LEVOIT model can even give you thoughtful reminders to water your plants. Also, if you don't know the difference between your fern and your monstera, the app can recognize the species and provide care reminders. So, are you going to buy the LEVOIT Classic300S Smart Humidifier? If so, which room are you going to put it in? Stay tuned to WatchMojo for the most complete video product reviews.